Buying a used German luxury SUV is a bit like dating a high-fashion model. On the surface, it's all style, prestige, and peak performance. But if you pick the wrong one, you're looking at a high-maintenance nightmare that will leave your wallet feeling very, very light. Today we are diving deep into one of the most popular vehicles on the American road, the Audi Q5. It's the SUV that basically saved Audi's bottom line in the States, blending that legendary quattro all-wheel drive with a cabin that feels like a private jet. But here's the kicker. Not all Q5s are created equal. Some years are bulletproof tanks that will hit 150,000 miles without breaking a sweat, while others are prone to drinking oil faster than a frat boy drinks beer. Number 3. The 2023 Audi Q5. If you're looking for something nearly new, maybe a certified pre-owned unit, the 2023 Audi Q5 is a stellar bet. This was the final year of this specific generation, and Audi clearly wanted to go out on a high note. According to drivers surveyed by Consumer Reports, this is the only model year of the current generation, outside of 2019, that clears the 4100 reliability threshold with ease. J.D. Power saw a 6-point jump in reliability over the 2022 model, landing at 75 out of 100. The proof is in the pudding here. Car Complaints currently has 0 complaints submitted. The NHTSA has only 6 complaints over its first 2 years of service. For a car that sold in massive numbers, that is a testament to how well Audi refined the production line by 2023. If you want the best years of the modern era, the 2023 is your winner. Number 2. The 2013 Audi Q5. Now, let's say you're on a tighter budget. You don't want a massive car payment, but you want that Audi badge. You need to look at the 2013 Audi Q5. Unlike many vehicles that struggle when they first hit the market, the Q5 actually found its footing midway through the first generation. The 2013 model is the highest-rated model for the SUV in terms of reliability for that first-gen era. Consumer Reports gave it a 62 out of 100, and J.D. Power drivers went even higher, giving it an 80 out of 100 for quality and reliability. This was the year Audi started refining the most reliable engine options for the platform, specifically the 3.0-liter V6 and the updated 2.0T. While it does have some reports of oil consumption, it is significantly better than the years immediately before and after it. It's the Goldilocks of the first generation. It falls just behind the Mercedes GLK of that year, but let's be real, the Audi looks much better. Number 1. The 2019 Audi Q5. If you want the absolute sweet spot of modern tech and mechanical stability, the 2019 Audi Q5 is your top choice. This marks the 3rd year of the Q5's 2nd generation, the FY platform. Why 2019 is the king? Historically, Audi and most German brands takes about 2 years to work out the bugs of a new generation. By 2019, the kinks from the 2018 redesign were polished away. Consumer Reports gave this model a reliability score of 65 out of 100, which for a German luxury SUV is actually quite impressive. J.D. Power was also feeling the love, giving it a quality and reliability average of 76 out of 100. But the real magic of the 2019 model is found on carcomplaints.com. Usually, a high-volume SUV has hundreds of complaints. Amazingly, there are only 2 major complaints from owners on the site for this year, one for a steering issue and one for a sunroof leak. That is statistically incredible. Even the NHTSA reports are low, only 30 overall complaints compared to 62 for a mediocre year like 2016. If you want a luxury SUV that won't spend half its life on a lift, this is the one. The worst years. Number 1. The 2012 Audi Q5, the oil drinker. The 2012 Audi Q5 is where the trouble really started. This is the year where the oil consumption nightmare became a reality for thousands of owners. The engine, specifically the 2.0-liter turbo, was consuming oil at an incredibly fast rate. We're talking a quart every 500 miles in some cases. The average cost to repair this? North of $900 just for the Band-Aid fix, and thousands more if the pistons needed replacing. Beyond the engine, the 2012 model had massive airbag issues. Over 50% of the 150-plus complaints to the NHTSA were about airbags not deploying or sensors failing. This is easily one of the worst years in the vehicle's history. Number 2, the 2014 Audi Q5, the worst overall. If 2012 was bad, the 2014 Audi Q5 was a disaster. This is widely considered the worst model Audi ever made for this line. Even though the Consumer Reports rating looked okay at 46, owner satisfaction plummeted. Why? Because the 2014 model has the highest number of complaints of any model year on car complaints. The oil consumption issue returned with a vengeance, but this time the repair costs skyrocketed to over $3,200. Imagine buying a used car for $12,000 and immediately needing a $3,200 engine rebuild. We also saw massive failures in the coolant pumps, leading to overheating and engine failure. If you're looking to buy used, cross the 2014 model off your list immediately. It is the definition of a money pit. Number 3, the 2018 Audi Q5, the do not drive warning. Finally, we have the 2018 Audi Q5. This was the first year of the second generation. Audi tried to do too much at once. The complaints jumped from 36 in 2017 to a staggering 150 in 2018. The issues were mostly electrical, turn signals failing, warning lights flashing like a Christmas tree, and engines refusing to start. But the real reason this is on the years to avoid list is a terrifying warning on the NHTSA website for certain recalls. Urgent, do not drive this vehicle. When the federal government tells you to park the car because the steering or brakes might fail, you listen. While many of these have been fixed via recall, the sheer number of headaches makes the 2018 a no-go for me. Always, and I mean always, ask for the DSG direct shift gearbox service records. Audi recommends a transmission fluid flush every 40,000 miles. If the previous owner skipped this, you might be looking at a $5,000 transmission replacement down the road. So what's the final verdict? The Audi Q5 is a fantastic luxury SUV that offers a driving experience most Toyotas and Hondas just can't touch, but you have to be smart. Buying a used Audi is about mitigating risk. Check the VIN for recalls, get a pre-purchase inspection, PPI, and stick to the years we talked about today. Do you own a Q5? Has it been a dream or a nightmare?